You're asked to find the lateral area of the prism below. Okay, go to your formula chart, you'll go to lateral surface area, and you'll get this prism formula. Okay, now in this problem, it's telling us where the base that they want you to work on, which is this bottom piece here. And you need to remember that a prism has two parallel bases. In this case, the figure on the bottom is parallel to the figure on the top. These represent the bases, and that's important to understand, because when we get to triangles, you need to identify your triangles as bases. Okay, so the lateral area is all of the sides around the bases, okay? Because sometimes this is hard to see. All right, let's go in blue for the back. Okay, we've got this other rectangular shape, or depending on what type this is, a rectangular prism. So these are rectangles. I got this one on the side. Okay, now prisms that are in a box shape like this, the opposite sides are also parallel and congruent. So we've got these two pieces that are in red, and the front and the back that are in blue. Okay, here, these are the other pair of parallel faces. We call those faces. The lateral area is equal to perimeter times the height. Okay, so wherever your base is, it's important to establish a base, because the height is the height of the prism from base to base. It's pointing to the bottom piece, and I'll color this. This is, okay, all of this in purple. Okay, all of that's your base, and up here on top, okay, that's your base. So you have two bases. Lateral area, which is the reds and the blues. Now the fastest way to do that, you can do it by doing the perimeter. Well, again, prisms, the opposite sides are equal. Whether it's a square box or a rectangular box, opposite sides are going to equal. So this side over here in blue is 10. Okay, all of that's 10. This is 11. So is this. So this is going to be, for the perimeter, 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 11. Okay, so if you need to make yourself a note, put a 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 11. So 10. I'm just going to go around, going around counterclockwise and going 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 11. So that's 42. So 10 plus 11, that's 21 plus 21, 42. Okay, so don't forget that that's perimeter. Okay, we still have to multiply the height. So the perimeter times the height, and the height of the prism goes from the base to the base. All right, so this is my height. So it's important to get those pieces established and understood. And when you go to your calculator and you take and multiply 42 times 15, you'll get 630. And pay attention to what it says to do. Sometimes it's asking you to round to the nearest tenth. Okay, finish this problem.